Christine. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make this really cute heart ornament using very little materials. I hope you enjoy. For this craft, you will need glue, scissors, and Sharpie. You will also need a thick piece of paper. It can be cardstock or any type. Ribbon. It can also be any type of string you would like. And then you will need tissue paper. It can be any color you would like to. This is totally customizable to your preference. To start off, you want to get your Sharpie and cardstock and draw out a heart shape. You then want to cut it out using scissors. After you have finished cutting out your heart, you then want to get your tissue paper and cut it into strips like so. This process does not need to be neat, so it can be uneven and it will not matter because in the end, you will crumble those tissue paper up. After you have finished cutting your tissue paper into strips, you then want to cut them into small squares. Again, this process does not need to be neat because you will crumble those pieces up later. After you have finished cutting your tissue paper like so, we are now going to crumble them like I mentioned before. This process does not have to be neat again. You can just crumble it however you want into a circular shape. After you have finished crumbling up all your pieces, you then want to get your glue and put a thin layer onto your heart. After that, you then want to get your small tissue paper balls and stick them on like so. I recommend that you start from the edge so that you have the shape of your heart first. For any open spaces on your heart, you can always go back in with glue and stick on the tissue paper after. After that, you are now finished with your heart part. After that, you then want to get your ribbon or string and then cut it into your desired length and then glue it to the back of the heart. After that, you are now finished with your whole entire craft. It should look like this. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time! And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.